Hey guys, welcome back. This is going to be an unboxing. Okay, this package is from BettyCora Beauty. As usual, all links and everything will be down below. So I'm going to go ahead and unpack this product, and then when I go to get my nails done, I will show you guys the products. I'm also going to get ready to put some nails on baby girl for a party she has to go to. And so I will probably use these products for that as well. So I'm going to take everything out so I don't have to keep twisting and turning the package, so we can get to it. All right, we're going to go over what I received. So there is a gel polish remover. I definitely wanted this. You guys know how I feel about gel polish. So let's find the gel polish remover. Okay, this is the BettyCora gel polish remover. This is it right here. Get this open. They have it taped really good. The packaging is really cute and really nice. I like the packaging. Don't want to use my nails. I tell y'all that all the time. All right, so let's pull this out. All right, gel polish remover is what it says. This is what it looks like. Nice big bottle. Okay, and I'm not using it yet, so I'm going to put it back in the package. It comes with a prep pad, a little instruction kit, and the scraper to remove the gel polish. So we're going to put that in there. And of course, when I use all of these things, you guys will definitely be able to see it. So this is the gel polish remover. We're going to set that there. Let's just get a look at this beautiful, beautiful packaging. BettyCora Professional Nail System. Awesome. So the next thing that I received is the rhinestone glue gel. Okay, this one is the rhinestone glue gel. Yes, rhinestone glue, y'all. And I put stones on. Y'all know I get them to stay on very well. But you can see here that I am missing some stones, and I'm about a week and a half in. So we're definitely going to test out the rhinestone glue gel. We're also going to test it out with my charms to see how well it holds the charms. So this is the rhinestone glue gel. The next item I received is extra, extra, extra. That's 3 extra large square nail tips. Look at them. Let me bring y'all back some. All right, there they are. They are extra, extra, extra long. They are actually the length of my nails. Super duper awesome. Super duper awesome. So you guys know that I wear my natural nails, but if I break a nail, your girl is in there. Now they are straight. They are not curved, but that's okay. That's okay. You know what I'm saying? That's okay. So these are the false nail tips, and these are 3X long. So if you're looking to get nails like mine, you definitely want to purchase from this company. These are 3X long nails. They will go ahead and automatically give you the length that you're looking for. And I always like to have nail tips on hand. If you break one or have to do something, even when I'm extending them. And when you go to the dentist, and you're like me and you have to get, anesthesia, they want you to cut your nail off. They want you to take the polish off. I usually have to cut off my pointer finger and take the polish off, and then I have to come home and do my nail again. So yes, definitely like to have nails on hand. Take one out of the package here. This is what it looks like. It's already square. Y'all know I love square. It is already square. And it is already 3X long. So you don't have to do anything to this nail but put it on. Put your acrylic on and keep it moving, okay? You don't have to do nothing to these nails. They are ready to go. And they come in this container. I got one nail in the way. Hold on. I don't want to mess them up. Because your girl got to have her nails on point. Gotta have them on point. Okay, we're going to close that so we don't mess it up. The next item that I received, let's see what we got here, is the 8-in-1 gel nail glue. Now, I love a good gel nail glue, y'all. 8-in-1 gel nail glue. Okay, it is good for so many different things. You can do your rhinestones. You can glue your nail on. Like the 8-in-1 gel nail glue is going to be listed down below. So you can look it up and see everything that you can use this for. I love the when the gel nail glues do that. The one that I use that y'all saw me using before was a 6-in-1. This is a 8-in-1 gel nail glue. And let me just tell you, because it's small here, it can be used as a base coat, as a nail glue, as a slip solution, as a nail strengthener. If you don't have any nails on at all, but you want your nails to get harder, grow out, or not break, okay, a nail builder gel. So builder gel is what I normally put up underneath my nails. So it is saying that I can put this underneath as a builder gel. You know we're going to try that out. Rhinestone adhesive, blooming gel, and color mixing. Okay, 8-in-1. So when I come back to do my nails, we're definitely going to put this under the nails, and we're going to see how it works as a builder gel. All right, and last but not least, I received the solid nail glue gel. Okay, this is the solid nail glue gel. This is a 3-in-1 gel. Now it comes in a jar. This is the one in a jar that you guys are used to seeing. I like the builder gels in a bottle, but I also like to have at least one in a jar. And the applications for the 3-in-1, it can be a nail glue gel. It can do rhinestones, adhesive, or model nail shape. Okay, so that's like if back in the day we used to use like the forms or to shape your nail. And it comes with this little spatula right here. I'm going to put this little spatula back in there. So those are all the items that I received from BettyCora. I am going to put links and everything down below. So you guys definitely stay tuned, because I have a week until I get my nails done. And we're going to put these babies to work. We're also going to put on baby girl's false nails for her birthday party. Okay, so stay tuned. All right, guys, and once again, BettyCora is a new nail brand which focuses on developing new, tech, trendy nail products and is dedicated to sharing beauty, nail art for all women and girls. Okay, so there are links down below. Like I said, baby girl has a slumber party, birthday weekend, sleepover thing. So I am using the BettyCora 8-in-1 nail glue to put some press-ons on her nails. So I'm going to put the glue under there, and then I'm going to put each one by one under the lamp to cure the glue. And I wanted to do this instead of using regular glue because it will help her nails adhere just a little bit longer, since she's not used to wearing nails. Hopefully they will stay on a lot longer than the norm. There is a Amazon link, as I told you before, down below. Very easy to purchase their products because everything is on Amazon. So I am just doing her nails one by one, putting on these beautiful press-ons, and I will show y'all towards the end what it looks like. I'm going to be using the rhinestone glue when I do my nails to see how well the rhinestones stay on. So there will be another video in my What's My Nail video. You will see me using the BettyCora products to do my designs. So you guys know that is coming up. And then you will see me use the builder gel as well. So here I'm just taking the press-ons, having her choose which one she wants for each finger. And we are using the BettyCora products to attach them to her nails, okay? They have several things on their websites, including the glue remover, which I think that they sent to me. They have short nails. I know I showed you guys that they sent me the extra long nails. That was what I selected. But they do have short nails, and hey, they have Barbie World. So if you are into Barbie or the Barbie trend, definitely click the links. They have a couple of gel polishes related to the Barbie segment. So you definitely want to check that out. They also have some press-ons. They also have designer press-on nails with the designs already on it, such as the ones that you see here. Okay, So you definitely want to check that out. They do sell the LED lamp. If you do not have your own LED lamp, you may purchase one from them. The gel polish remover, the 8-in-1 nail gel, the solid nail glue. They also have regular nail glue if you want to just put on regular nails and not have to use a lamp. They have top coat, base coat, and a wonderful array of gel polishes. So when you guys get a chance, I would absolutely love it if you can click the link and check them out. And if you make any purchases, come back and tell me what you purchased, or post it on Instagram, tag me, tag BettyCora, so we can see your purchase. So I'm just going to continue on here doing baby girl's nails. And here you see me just putting the glue on, and then once again putting the press-on on and putting her nail under the lamp so that it may cure. Make sure that you move the glue a little bit away from the lamp, because you may not think so, but I've had situations where the glue has cured in the bottle because it was too close to the lamp. So make sure that you move your glue from by the lamp. And there you see me remembering and moving my glue from by the lamp. So as you guys can see, we are still putting them on the hand. I'm kind of going hand to hand to see which one that she wants. And I'm actually making sure that I take a long time to cure it, because I really want it to stick. Press-on nails are a little bit thicker than your regular nail tips. It's not as thin as your regular nail tips. It is a plastic press-on nail. And then it's also already decorated and whatever they put the press-on nails in. So they're thicker than regular nail tips. So you want to make sure that you have a lot of glue under the nail. Make sure that it does not seep out on the sides. And then you want to, I'm doing it twice. I'm doing each nail twice. And then when I get done, I'm putting her whole hand under there again, because I want to make sure that this glue dries, cures, it sticks, and she can make it through the weekend. Because like I told you before, baby girl can be rough, okay? Rough. But we're getting it done. And you guys are going to see me hold her hand up to the camera so you guys can see the the results of the first hand. So far, the glue is working wonderfully. I love it. I can't wait to use it on myself. I love these 6-in-1s, 8-in-1s, all of these nail glues that they got going on. Absolutely love it. So my final thoughts on doing her press-ons with the glue. I love the results. Here are the nails. Absolutely wonderful. Everything is sticking very well. This is the 8-in-1 nail glue by BettyCora. Her press-ons are on and she is just about ready to go. All right, now on to me. So I was washing clothes, putting clothes in the washer, and I bent a nail. If you guys don't know about bending your nail, honey, I would rather break a nail than bend a nail. It is a totally different type of feeling. I bent a nail, and guess what? I am out of acrylic monomer. But I remembered my BettyCora. Okay, so I am going to use the builder gel. Now, normally I would use the builder gel in a bottle on the brush, but I wanted to try the one in the hard gel here. So this is the builder gel that I am using. This is the solid glue gel. It's going to adhere somewhat similar to gel or acrylic. This is what you would use to like do a form. You can put this over nails. It's no stickiness. It is easy to handle. So I'm kind of a rookie at the ones in the jar, but I found this very easy to maneuver. And also, if you find that your builder gel is like a little stiff, you can warm it up by putting it on a warmer or putting something warm, like warm around it, so you can warm it up. So if you need to. I didn't have to warm this one up. It came out of the jar very easily. And I am just using a little brush here to brush the gel around my cuticles. So you would brush it like you brush a polish. The builder gel is solid, no mess while applying it. When you're putting a tip on, it does not make bubbles. You do have to cure this. Okay. It says it lasts about 3 weeks. I am going to get my nails done in a week. So this should get me through to seal my nail and make sure that I don't get any water or any lifting from me banging the nail and lifting it up. So I'm putting it under the lamp. For some reason, this lamp light is not coming on. I don't know why it's not coming on. So I'm going to switch lamps because I want to make sure that this cures. So I'm going to have to switch lamps. But you do have to cure the building gel. You can also use this gel as rhinestone glue, and you can also use this gel to put on 3D nail sculptures. Okay, so if you want to put on charms or anything like that, this is me switching lamps to cure the gel. You can use this gel for several different things. So that is another thing. It is a multitasking gel. You don't have to just use it to apply your press-ons or apply your tips or apply your nails. Okay. So this is going to get me through until I go back to the nail lady. So I was super excited to have this in my stash. I think it absolutely worked wonders for me. Hope you guys enjoyed. Click the link.